Did you know that many common houseplants are actually toxic to cats and dogs? Yes, even beautiful favorites like peace lily and snake plants can make your furry friends sick. But don't worry, today I'll share 10 amazing indoor plants that are totally safe for pets. They'll keep your home fresh, green, and worry-free. 1. Erica palm. Bright, tropical, and super easy to grow. The Erica palm is safe for cats and dogs. It loves indirect light and adds that vacation vibe right into your living room. Bonus, it's also an air-purifying plant. 2. Calathea. These plants are famous for their stunning, patterned leaves that move up and down during the day. Completely non-toxic, and they don't need harsh sunlight, making them perfect for apartments. 3. Boston fern. A classic bushy fern that thrives in humid spaces like bathrooms. Non-toxic to pets, but keep in mind they like regular misting. Great excuse to spritz your plants and feel fancy. 4. Parlor palm. Small, elegant, and super low maintenance. Parlor palms grow slowly and don't mind lower light. Many people call it the office plant because it thrives almost anywhere. 5. Spider plant. This one is a superstar. It's practically indestructible, safe for pets, and grows cute little babies you can replant. Just be warned, cats often love to chew on the leaves, so hang it up if your kitty's too curious. 6. Bamboo palm. Not only safe, but also amazing at filtering air pollutants. Bamboo palms grow tall and give your home a natural screen or room divider feel. 7. Ponytail palm. Despite the name, it's not a palm at all. It's actually a succulent with a funny bulb trunk and long curly leaves. Safe for pets and nearly impossible to kill, great for forgetful plant parents. 8. Polka dot plant. This one adds a pop of color with its pink, red, or white spotted leaves. Totally non-toxic, but it can be a bit dramatic. It wilts quickly if thirsty, then perks right back up once watered. 9. African violet, a flowering option. African violets bloom indoors year-round if given enough bright, indirect light. Safe for pets and a nice way to add color beyond just green leaves. 10. Herbs like basil, thyme, and rosemary. Yes, many herbs double as pet-safe houseplants. Not only do they make your kitchen look fresh, but you can snip them for cooking too. Just avoid things like chives or mint, which can upset some pets. Bonus tips. Always check the ASPCA Pet Safe Plant List before buying something new. Even with safe plants, watch out for over-enthusiastic nibbling. Some pets can still get tummy aches if they chew too much greenery. Group your plants together. Pets are less likely to mess with them if they're in a cluster. So there you go, 10 pet-friendly plants that brighten up your home without putting your furry friends at risk. Which one would you love to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this with a fellow plant lover.